From the Ka'okavale Plateau in Namibia, dioptase, a little cast almost of dioptase. So we'll have a look at the back now. Tiny dioptase crystals. This would be from days gone by, Ka'okavale Plateau, of course. The dioptase often sat on a pretty crumbly chrysocolla in sections of quartz. So if you try to trim the specimens out, you'd have little sections of dioptase like this one coming off. Now this specimen comes to you in this perky box, dimensions of which are 28 by 28, height of which is 22 millimeters. This is a cast of the dioptase, and then dusting the cast mainly around the bottom would be some chrysocolla. All the way from the Ka'okavale Plateau, Namibia. I just want to see, there seems to be a little bit of malachite in this one as well, that different green over there. Lovely dark emerald green, not as dark as the Congolese material, sort of got almost a bluish look to it.